Our liver plays a crucial role in more than 500 functions of our body, including filtering 1.4 liters of blood per minute. In contrast to normal liver fat, fatty liver is composed of between 5 and 15% fat. So here are 5 foods that can help you to protect your liver. But first, let's look at 5 foods and ingredients you absolutely must avoid. 1. Sugar. Keeping blood sugar levels low helps to prevent fat buildup, so it's important to avoid candies, cookies, and sodas. 2. Red meat. A fatty liver often results from eating beef and other red meat. They are high in saturated fat and overwork the liver. 3. Fried foods. Fried foods are high in calories and fat, making the liver work harder. 4. Salt. A high salt level in the body may cause the body to retain excess water. Therefore, you should limit the amount of sodium you eat to less than 1,500 milligrams. 5. Alcohol. Alcohol is among the leading contributing factors to fatty liver. Hence, it is strongly recommended that you refrain from consuming any alcohol. Now that we know which foods to avoid, let's look at 5 foods you should incorporate into your diet. 1. Broccoli. The best foods for fatty liver are cruciferous vegetables, like broccoli. This type of vegetable contains fiber and plant nutrients that can help treat fatty liver. Broccoli also has antioxidant properties and positively impacts liver enzyme levels. In addition to detoxifying and protecting the liver, these enzymes increase blood levels in the body. If you want to make it tasty and healthy, roast it with garlic and add lemon juice or vinegar. 2. Garlic. Many health conditions can be treated using garlic, a powerful herb. This herb contains selenium that assists the liver in detoxification. Further, it promotes liver detoxification by activating enzymes responsible for flushing out toxins. Finally, it also helps in weight and fat loss. It gives a fantastic taste to food. Garlic is an easy, tasty way to add around 400 milligrams to your daily diet. 3. Coffee. There is no doubt that coffee is one of the best foods for fatty liver. It helps prevent non-alcoholic fatty liver disease from occurring. While coffee reduces cholesterol and blood pressure, it also contains chlorogenic acid, which has anti-inflammatory and antioxidative effects. Our recommendation would be to choose drip coffee, 2 to 4 cups in a day. In contrast, excessive consumption of coffee may lead to nervousness, anxiety, or palpitations. 4. Tea. Green tea is excellent for fatty livers because of its antioxidative and detoxifying effects. It's also helpful for reducing body fat and blood fat. It's important to note that the antioxidant properties of black tea are also said to counteract the adverse effects of an unhealthy diet. It's advisable to consume 5 to 10 cups of green tea each day, or black tea if you prefer. Quick note, green tea extract may cause liver damage, so be careful if you decide to use it. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. In addition to fighting inflammation, obesity, insulin resistance, high blood pressure, and low HDL, omega-3 fatty acids help strengthen the immune system. It's one of the best foods to eat if you have fatty liver. If you lack omega-3 fatty acids, you can take omega-3 fatty acid supplements, 250 to 500 milligrams per day, or eat flax seeds, sardines, salmon, and walnuts. There you have it. Also, consider watching the following 2 videos. You'll learn a lot from watching them. Thank you. Stay safe and stay healthy.